Film technology has shaped generations of storytelling, but as cameras, projectors, and editing gear age, they become part of a growing e-waste challenge. Today, we explore sustainable solutions for managing old film technology responsibly, preserving history while protecting the environment. Obsolete doesn't mean harmless. Old film equipment contains mixed materials, metals, plastics, electronics, that can harm the environment if discarded improperly. These devices hold valuable resources like aluminum and precision parts that can be recovered. Responsible management not only conserves materials but balances sustainability with cinema's cultural heritage. Projectors, lighting systems, and editing gear often hide environmental risks. Some bulbs contain mercury, while circuit boards may carry lead or other toxins. These devices are built from fused materials, metal, plastic, adhesives, making separation complex. If landfilled, valuable metals are lost. If incinerated, toxic byproducts may be released. Proper recycling prevents both outcomes. Old film cameras and editing tools aren't just equipment, they're cultural artifacts. While some belong in museums, many deteriorate in long-term storage, creating safety hazards. By classifying gear as reusable, donatable, upcyclable, or recyclable, we can respect history while reducing waste. This dual approach safeguards heritage and sustainability. Whenever possible, reuse should come first. Old gear still works for instruction, demonstrations, or experimental shoots. Film schools and workshops benefit from hands-on access to legacy tools. Museums and galleries can display historic equipment, turning it into learning assets. Reuse extends the life cycle, defers e-waste, and preserves the energy invested in production. Donating working gear to schools, archives, or community theaters extends its value. Secondary markets also help, but buyers must be vetted to avoid improper disposal. Providing manuals, cables, and hazard notes with donations ensures safe use. This approach reduces new manufacturing demand while keeping material value in circulation. Even when equipment no longer works, it can inspire new life through upcycling. Reels become artwork, tripods turn into lamps, and casings transform into furniture. Upcycling diverts waste from landfills while honoring the craftsmanship of analog tools. Community workshops and artists can spark public interest in film heritage through creative reuse. When reuse isn't an option, recycling must be the next step. Licensed recyclers can safely dismantle complex devices, handling mercury bulbs, capacitors, and circuit boards. Metals like aluminum, copper, and steel are recovered, while proper downstream documentation ensures transparency. Recycling should be the last resort after reuse, donation, and upcycling have been explored. Manufacturers and distributors have a role to play too. Trade-in programs, published disposal guidance, and modular designs make recycling easier. Industry-wide standards and disassembly instructions help recyclers recover materials more efficiently. Support networks connecting owners with restorers and educators keep gear in circulation longer. Awareness is key. Workshops, guides, and collection events can show professionals, students, and collectors that old film gear is not trash, it's heritage and resources. By reframing the message, communities can turn small wins into lasting habits. Together, we normalize responsible management of analog equipment. At ESAR Inc., we specialize in sustainable solutions for electronics recycling, including old film technology. Honor the analog era, reuse what you can, upcycle what inspires, and trust licensed recyclers to recover what remains.